So I'm outside today and I'm in the middle of cooking some ribs for a video and I'm a little bit hungry. And I was thinking, well, what do I want? I want a hot dog. Well, I could fire up the gas grill or I could fire up the Weber kettle. I could even cook the hot dogs over the coals in the firebox. But the way my brain works, I had an idea. I wonder if I can cook a hot dog over one single charcoal briquette that's been lit. I'm gonna try it. So here is how I'm going to attempt this. I'm going to put a single charcoal briquette on the top there. And I'm going to light it with my propane torch. I'm going to get this going really quickly. I want to get it ashed over and putting off a lot of heat to see if this experiment will work. Okay, so we've got our piece of charcoal ashing over there. It's definitely hot as I put my hand there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold my hot dog over it on some tongs. I know I'll have to move it around and rotate it and everything, but I don't know. Kind of a wacky experiment. Sure would save on briquettes if you could do this. It'd take a long time. I wonder if this is going to become a time-lapse video. My hands are going to get tired holding this. You know what? This is going to take forever. Changing plans. Can you cook a hot dog with a blowtorch? Let's turn it around a bit. Because you know, when you're cooking with a blowtorch, you got to make sure you cook evenly. It'll be interesting to see how warm it is inside. You know, I think I want my bun toasted too. All right, I have my hot dog. Let's get that off of there, onto the bun. Put a little mustard. Let's see if this worked. Got our hot dog, which I attempted to grill over one briquette, which ended up cooking with a blowtorch. Let's see. How it's hot all the way through. It works. So if you're stuck somewhere with only one charcoal briquette and a blowtorch and a hot dog, just don't use the briquette. Go straight for the blowtorch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you again soon.